Do you see the same issues that you discuss now at Harvard, at MIT? We're here in Boston, so I have to talk about the great universities here in Boston. You've written about MIT. I'm it's a university I love. I'm a research scientist there. Do you see the same kind of issues there?
Yes, I do.
Do you remember? Can you explain the case of Dorian Abbott lecture that was canceled at MIT?
Yeah, well, it's this is not the only it's not the only incident. There have been incidents all around the country um, of academics, professors who have views that don't comport with as the great Lillian Hellman, another friend of my late wife, said she said she refused to cut her garments in order to fit the fashions of the day. Dorian Abbott didn't cut his suit to fit the fashions of the day, in his intellectual suit. And so he was, this has happened at Princeton, this has happened at Harvard, this has happened at MIT. The great universities in the country have decided that the clash of ideas is not such a good idea because some people's feelings will be hurt. Well, there was quite a revolt against it. Fire sounded the alarm. And then in the end, the universities were, I believe Abbott was invited to come back. I think he turned them down. Mm-hmm. He shouldn't have turned them down, but he did. When the light is cast upon these situations, the universities back down because they're so embarrassed.
Yeah.
And the newspapers, because newspapers depend on the First Amendment in order to exist, newspapers tend to give pretty good publicity to these cases of censorship.
So they grill the universities.
Yes.
So they really emphasize, they catalyze the embarrassment.
Yes.
So is that one of the ways, is that the best way to fight all of this?
Yes. Sunshine is the best disinfectant.